You're live.
That's great. They can't hear me. That's okay. It's terrifying.
What are you standing on?
No, but it ain't stable. Yeah, Gooseberry Falls. We're done, but my husband went to go climb something adventurous, and y'all know I'm not that adventurous. I was going to, but the stairs were so big that I could feel my muscles starting to strain, and I was like, if we want to do anything else this trip, I'm not doing that. So I'm sitting on a bench. I love it.
So wifey chastised me for taking vertical video. I'm gonna come back and take some horizontal video. She would have absolutely loved the view. Just hated trying to get to it. Here towards the bottom of the falls, and Bree decided not to come with me. We heard that there might be some stairs. I'm thinking she made the right choice. It's a steep drop, let's just say.
right, who wants a hotel room tour? I look a hot mess, y'all. I look a hot mess, but here we go. Here I am. This is the Sheraton in Duluth, downtown Duluth. We got 2 queen-size beds because it doesn't really matter if it's a king or 2 queens. We'll sleep in separate beds tonight, so we have space. A double-doored bathroom. Double doors. Walking on in. Toilet, tub and shower combination. Vanity. Towel rack. Nothing terribly exciting, but I thought I'd show you guys nonetheless. Not completely carpeted floors, which I thought was interesting. Granted, I haven't been in a Sheraton for a long time, or a hotel for a long time. Then we got, this is the little closet right there with those. Coffee. There's a refrigerator over there. And then we got a lake view. Check that out. Gorgeous.
You're on video.
I don't even know why this guy's here because isn't the label of Rocky Mountain Candy Factory?
It's a mountain.
So I don't know why bear's here.
It's a mountain bear. in front of it for perspective here. That's a big eel.